Long division with remainders using number chips. This is the St. Patrick's Day version. So this is a fun way to introduce students to long division. It starts out with some definitions, the dividend, the divisor, and the quotient, and then where they're placed. So a problem 58 divided by 9, the 58 will go inside the box, the dividend. The divisor goes outside the box. So they're going to get a little practice doing this. It's pretty simple. So on slide 4, they're going to use all of these numbers somewhere in this problem. And all they're doing now is just placing them in the correct place in the boxes. So this is important because it gets students in the habit of placing them correctly. And I know some older students still struggle with this. So it just gives them a little bit of practice and they get a little confidence and they get some practice moving the number chips. Now, when they go to slide 5, they get a little acronym that might help them remember the steps, which is dad, mom, sister, brother. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. So they're going to start here. They have 45 divided by 6. So the first step is just divide. 45 divided by 6. Well, 6 doesn't go into 45 evenly, but 6 will go into 45 7 times with a little bit left over. 7 will go into 38 5 times with a little bit left over, and 5 will go into 6 1 time. So now we're going to be looking at a problem. So they're going to place the numbers, they're going to divide, and then they're going to multiply. So they're going to do the first 3 steps. So they know how to place the numbers, the dividend, 36, the divisor's 8. Well, that only leaves 3 numbers. So 8 goes into 36 4 times. So that's going to go up here. Now they've divided. Now they're going to multiply these numbers outside the box. So 8 times 4 would give them 32. So those are the first 2 steps. They're going to place the numbers correctly. They're going to divide and then multiply. Now they're going to take this same problem onto the next slide. 36 divided by 8, they're going to go a little bit farther into the problem. Again, they know where to place the numbers. And that one didn't move. 36 divided by 8. They get a little confidence once they've done this a few times. 8 goes into 36 4 times. Multiply, we did that on the last slide, which is 32. And then the next step after divide and multiply is to subtract. So 36 subtract 32 will give them 4. And the problem stops there because 8 does not go into 4. So they've got the quotient, which is the number up here. That's their answer, is 4. The quotient is 4 with a remainder of 4. Okay, they get a little bit of more practice on the next slide. Then we get to slide 11. They're going to go a little bit farther. So first they place the numbers, 55 divided by 3. So dad, mom, sister, brother, they're going to divide first. 3, not into 55, but 3 goes into 5 1 time. Multiply, 3 times 1 will give them 3. Subtract. And then they bring down. Okay, so they're going to bring down this number on the right. And then they go through that process again. Divide, 3 goes into 25 8 times. That 8's going to go up here. 8 times 3, they're going to multiply, and they get 24. Subtract, they get 1. They can't go any farther because 3 does not go into 1. So their quotient is up here at the top, 18, remainder 1. And then they get a couple more that they're going to practice with. So it's a lot of fun for the students moving the colorful slides, and it gives them a little confidence because they've got all the numbers they need. They know that they have to place every number at least once, and just a fun way to practice long division with remainders.